All right, the final part of this video is marketing your book. How do you market your book? If you make a book on KDP, there is need for you to try push it faster than it should be. After we talked about the 7 back-end keyword, we've talked about the metadata, and the part 1 I talked about if you're starting KDP. I explained everything for those who just got into KDP, what and what you should expect, and the process after 1, number 2, number 3. I explained a lot of things. So check the description of this video. You're going to see part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, depending on how many parts we have. Then just watch them sequentially. Then you can join us in this last aspect when it comes to marketing your book. When you plan to market your books, there are almost 2 ways. Number 1 is called in-book promotion. Yes, in-book promotion, I'm going to show you what it means to promote a book in book. Then let me find a way and open one of my devotions file. Open. Then let's just wait for this to open. I'm going to search for 2024, or let's see if I can search down there. All right, devotions for men and women. Yes, this book. I'm going to open this very fast. Then this book is a very powerful book I made with almost close to 800 pages. A very high content book that was made. Then at this place, I'm going to show you something. I talked about in-book promotion. That's what we're trying to achieve. So let's just wait for this to load, and I'll show you that. So in-book promotion, it seems it works on conditions. It works on conditions. This should be coming up soon. All right. So I'm just waiting for my table of content to finish loading. This will take a little time. Then okay. So now this has fully loaded. Let me just move down to the last day of the year, 2024. Though we've not gotten to that place, depending on when you're watching this video. Anyway, so December 31st, I'm waiting for this last one to come. Just be patient enough. We should be there in soon. So I talked about in-book promotion. This means trying to promote your next book you will make in the book you've made. So for example, now at this December 31st, what I did, I finished making this book. Then I made another book called 365 Daily Devotional Journal 2024. So you see now, I've promoted this book. I say you can also get yourself 365 days daily devotion journals. And this book was promoted in this book. That is called in-book. But before you promote this, ensure you've created a book, you've uploaded it already. So what I do is I can get like 5 keywords. I take my time in like 2 weeks. I make all these books. Then I promote them within. I purchase this, I make this, I link them up together, and I'm good to go. Yes, that is one way to promote your book, called the in-book process. Number 2 is called free promotion. Yes, KDP gives you the power to make free promotion. If you come to your KDP, I talk about free promotion anyway versus Kindle countdown. I'm not going to be explaining this. It's seen in my YouTube, in my YouTube channel. I'm trying to show free promotion. I talked about something related. Let me try show you that. Let's come to new doc and see. Okay. All right, let me not just waste much time. Let's just stick to, when it comes to free promotion, I'm going to go to my bookshelf from here. I'm going to save and continue without saving. Then it's not going, so I'm going to try show you how to run a free promotion faster. Let's say this book I want to promote and advertise. I'm going to come here and say marketing. At this place we have marketing. So that is one way to go. Whether on smartphone, search for marketing and you're good to go. So now you can see from here we have enroll an ebook, so you can use this. This is one way to push your book further. People can read your book and pay without buying it, but they can read. As they read, they pay. We have Amazon ads way. We have run a price promotion. Yes, they have 2 way. We have Kindle countdown and free promotion. Kindle countdown means you can say today my book is going to be $2. Next tomorrow my book is going to be $2.5. 2 days from that is going to be $3. That is what it means from Kindle countdown. The free promotion means anyone can take your book for 5 days. It depends on the days. Let's say I want to run a free promotion for this. I'm going to click on next, for example. Then it's going to tell me this book is currently ineligible. So I'm finding the one that is eligible. Let's say this one. Let's say this. Then I'm going to click on continue. So this book, I've already run a free promotion for it. It's already ranking. That is one joy. Then you see, I've run 3 out of 5 because you have 5 days to run your book. Yes, a free promotion. So over here you can pick first 3 days and just run a free promotion for it. Then if you want to run just one day, you can just click on it and say run for one day, end it, end on the 13th. So it means it's going to run just one day, and people can buy your book, get your book for free. But one thing is, anybody who gets your book and drop a review for you and say this book is nice, everybody should buy it, it means your book is going to rank very fast. That is one way we enjoy free promotion. But it's not a must for you to do free promotion, but you can try it so that you can give your book lot and lot of visibility. Then without wasting much time, paid hard. I don't do pay hard, and I don't advise those that are just starting KDP to start paying money to run hard. Learn how to create good books. Try quality versus quantity, which is populate the niche. Then you can now talk about running advert. Please don't be frustrated. Amazon, if it does not pay you right now, it's going to pay you later. So I talk about simple book cover, only one style of branding, alter name. I said don't use different pen name. Today one, tomorrow another one. No, try to stick to one pen name for each niche. I talked about niche in the first part one of this video, so you can watch that and get a full understanding. Then now we'll talk about free promotion. We've talked about in-book promotion. What next? What next on KDP? The next thing on KDP is for you to keep on making money. I've explained everything. So if you still need full-time mentorship, you want to work hand on hand with me, you want me to be by your side so that you don't give up, because I'm a motivational speaker in a way, though. Forgive me for trying to praise myself. But anyway, that is true. All right. So what next? The last thing here is this. Go make more books and fill your niche with your book and stop being lazy. Yes, if you spend many years in school trying to get a certificate, why won't you spend many years trying to get a passive income? Amazon pays those who work tirelessly. Let me leave you with that one. I believe you've seen my channel, what I do in my channel. If you want to be part of this, my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn the notification bell. And when I make content, you get notified and you watch it. And before you know, you too, you can be making your own content as well. And I can become your student. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.